Are you ready for today? Are you ready for what we're about to do? Today we're eating at Popeyes. Not Poop Eyes, not Eye Pops. Popeyes. Chicken sandwich. Y'all used to the regular chicken sandwich, but you haven't had a Ricky Bobby. I'm going to show you how to make the Ricky Bobby. First off, oh my, look at this. This thing has a leg. It's like an extra leg trying to run away. Oh my gosh. So, we're going to get down to this right now. I'm going to show you how to make the Ricky Bobby. The Ricky Bobby shake and bake. First off, spicy chicken sandwich, extra pickles. Remove the bun. Save the bag, the foil bag. Uh-oh. This guy's hanging on barely. I don't know if he's going to make it. Someone's loving that chicken from Popeyes. Second part to the Ricky Bobby. You find yourself not one, oh no, but two of the Bayou buffalo sauce. It's probably going to be backwards on your thing. Second one. Oh, what? What? Now, seal the bag. Shake and bake. Welcome to California because it's called a shake quake. So, and this is messy. Be careful. Now, there's strategy to this. We are going to slide out that golden morsel of freshly painted chicken. Oh, this guy didn't make it. Like when I go there, I say, can you paint it? They're like, what? I want it dripping. Drip it. Get me that drip. I'm not going to cheat. That sauce is so good. Matter of fact, give me a little bit more love. Extra pickles are a must on this thing. Oh my gosh, this is making a mess everywhere. That's why I waited to come home and do it. You folks back home, look at this. This is the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes, Ricky Bobby style. Why? Because we gave it that shake and bake. Let's go in. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. You gotta be joking me. You gotta be joking me. What you do is you take a little of that love. Come on. Oh, nothing came out. I love the sauce. Baby, give me some more sauce. Baby likes sauce, don't you? Remember, Popeye spicy chicken sandwich. Shake and bake, Ricky Bobby. Check it out. Oh, uh-oh. I don't think you people realize how amazing Popeye's chicken sandwich is. There's a reason why people were fighting in the streets. Remember, next time you get a spicy chicken sandwich, I'm not talking about the Colonel. Popeyes. Shake and bake, Ricky Bobby. That's how you do it. Like and share the channel. Thank you, people. You have a good evening. Oh, and thank you for all the fans. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I love you. I know you love me too, because that's what makes the world go around. Shake and bake. Let's eat.